This is another poem from my pamphlet, Parent Worshipper Carrion. Button box. Lace and dust scattered on the table where I rake through the button box, turning over silver gems, quilted reds, smoothings of green, dice-faced blues and yellows, 4-2-4. My mother watches from the sofa, a mottled dark pink, like the inside of a mouth. What you looking for? Her mouth twists, reflecting my grimace, given the shirt in my hands, blinded by empty threads, an absence of buttons. 3 that match, I say, and push the box over. Buttons spill in a bright orchestral tumble onto the laced table, the floor. I almost curse, but feel my mother's breathing, the noise I hear whenever I try to sleep. Everything tightens as her hand tree roots through a disappearing wedding band, settles and sorts, settles and sorts. 1, 2, 3 that match. I exhale. Instead of thanking her, fold myself into the singed brown-orange chair under the fringed standard lamp which gives more shade than light. Fridge in the kitchen finishes its 2-hour cycle of humming with 3 clicks, an echo of knitting needles. My mother shuffles back. Lands with unbalanced grace on today's newspaper. I frown at the crackle and burn, pull away loose threads, puncture shirt, imprison new old button, a moth pinned into a boxed frame. My mother sighs. Our mouths are sewn shut, not buttoned over. Both of us almost speak.